Welcome! This is the Speaking, Reading and Comprehension Lecture Series. Hello there! I'm the happy Malay teacher. Teaching Malay and creating engaging language courses is a passion of mine. I am proud to be Malaysian and would like to teach you speaking, reading, and understanding my national language. How is this course created? In 2007, I'm a happy teacher teaching at Malaysian primary and secondary schools. In 2016, I first started teaching Malay online. In 2020, during the pandemic, I taught Malay online on a full-time basis. Last year, with input from my students, I started creating online Malay courses. Now, this year, in 2022, this Speaking, Reading and Comprehension Lecture Series is a result of ideas, feedbacks, and comments from my experience teaching online. Now, let me show you where Malay is spoken. Malaysia is situated in Southeast Asia. Malaysia comprises of Peninsula Malaysia, which is in West Malaysia, and Sabah and Sarawak, which is in East Malaysia. Part 1 is vocabulary for our questions. You will dive in and get to know some interesting words used in conversation. Part 2 will be our questions part. Don't be shy. Ask questions like a pro. Malaysians are very friendly people and known for our hospitality. This is the Happy Malay Teacher's food for thought. The third part would be vocabulary for our answers. Let's run the extra mile with additional vocabulary to enrich our answers. The fourth part would be our answers. You will answer questions effortlessly without thinking twice. The fifth part is a complete vocabulary lecture list. Let's take a look at all the interesting words learned. The sixth part is a complete questions lecture list. Ask away, we are all ears. The seventh part is a complete answers lecture list. Let's revise all our sentences. The eighth part is our reading and comprehension section. We will read through subject theme passages and translations are provided side by side and we would understand all the passages read. In a nutshell, speak, read, comprehend, ask questions, learn vocabulary, and answer questions. I hope to see you in my Malay class. Every journey starts with the first step. Do you not agree? Thank you. Want to ask me something? Send me a note and all your questions will be answered.